Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to take another big step in building our personal self-hosted ecosystem. We are going to install Docker on our server, set it up the right way, and then deploy Nextcloud all in one, with full access to a dedicated partition on our server. This means you will be able to store your files, photos, and backups in a clean and organized structure, all running privately on your own hardware. I will walk you through every step from installing Docker, creating the containers, mapping storage, and then configuring everything so your cloud can grow with your needs. So if you are building your own home lab or you just want a fast and secure personal cloud, this video is definitely for you. Let's get started.
Okay guys, so let's start with the tutorial. You can come here to my website, and in this website you can find all the information about this project. We will go to Docker, and first of all we are going to set up Docker's apt repository. So we're gonna run this on our server. So you will first of all connect to your server using and we will use something like this. So we'll go with SSH Nube. Right now I am at my client, which is my office, and I'm gonna connect to my server. My server, my SSH key requests a passphrase. So if you didn't set one, it's okay. So mine is this is my passkey, my passphrase to unlock my key. So once I unlocked my key, I can use it to log in to my server. So right now I changed to my server. Right now I am at my server. So we're gonna clear the console, Control L, and in here we're gonna run this command, Control Shift B. You're gonna be prompted the password of the server. So we're gonna wait until it finishes the setup, and then we're going to install the Docker packages. So to install the latest version, you will have to go and run this command, Control Shift B, and it's gonna request you if you want to install these packages. I have already done that, so that's why it didn't request me a confirmation, but it will prompt you to type Y and enter as soon as you try to install these packages. So in order to verify that the installation is successful, we're gonna run this command, and it says the service, the status of Docker is active and running. So that's good, that's enabled, everything is pretty good. So now we type Q to quit, and we're gonna install this one. We're gonna install this container, Control L, Control Shift V, and it says hello from Docker. This message shows that your installation appears to be working correctly. So now we have our Docker in there. We could see the image that we just downloaded from this container. So we're gonna go with sudo sudo docker and images, and I have one image, which is this one, hello world, and this is the ID of the image, the disk usage, content size, and that's it. So the next step is to set up a Nextcloud. We're gonna do that in the next section.